Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSC Tech. In today's video, I will give you a quick tip in order to fix your Amazon Firestick TV remote which is not working. There are possible reasons that the batteries are dead. So before you apply these two procedures, you can simply remove the batteries from the pack with the brand new batteries and make sure that they are in functional condition or they are working. So the first step is basically hold the home button for 10 seconds, leave your Firestick TV on, and after that the Firestick remote control will automatically repair with your Firestick, and hopefully this will fix your problem. If that does not fix your problem, then we will move towards the next step. But the first part doesn't work, then you can move on towards the next step, which is to remove your Firestick from your TV. If you're using an external source, for example, in my case, I'm using an HDMI splitter, you can take it off, and when it's completely switched off, on the remote control, you have to press the menu, the back, and the left navigation key all together for 10 seconds. So keep holding it. And once the 10 seconds are passed, you can just let it go, and right after that you have to restart your FireTv. So this will definitely fix your remote control which was not working. So as you can see that the remote is now working absolutely fine. Sometimes by just pulling off the batteries from your remote control will fix. If no, then first and the second option is always there. So that's it for today's video guys. If you like this video, do let us know in the comment section. Take good care of yourself. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.